Hi guys, Kirk here with the World Monster Truck Alliance for our Jonesboro, Arkansas show. 8 trucks, we've already had qualifying. I'll go ahead and set the bracket for you. Our top qualifier was Gunslinger. Gunslinger was our top qualifier. He'll draw Cowboy in the first matchup. Gunslinger, by the way, is Gunslinger is Monster Jam 1000, and Cowboy is Musical Queen. Our fourth qualifier was T-Max. T-Max is Hot Wheels Nation. I'll get Wild Hair. Wild Hair is Minolta Toyota Dude. Our next qualifier is Shock Therapy. That was our third quick qualifier. He was Drake No Sick Days Newton, and he'll draw the sixth qualifier. Originally scheduled to be the Michigan Ice Monster. Instead, there was an axle break for Michigan Ice Monster, so it was replaced with Freedom Force. Freedom Force is Kadarius Seaton. And then we have our second quick qualifier, Bigfoot. Number 14, the Firestone Bigfoot. That's Patrick Fleming, and he'll get Sudden Impact. Sudden Impact is MJ1000 Studio. That's our field of trucks. I'll go ahead with our first round of racing. Hopefully you guys can see the track. I think I got it lined up where you can kind of see the track. So first round racing is Cowboy and Gunslinger. And this time it's Gunslinger pulling off the upset win. Gunslinger, big win. Cowboy pulling off the upset win over Gunslinger. Cowboy, Musical Queen goes on. We now have Wild Hair and T-Max. This time it's Wild Hair with a wild ride for victory. Freedom Force, Shock Therapy. And Shock Therapy takes that win, so Shock Therapy goes on. Our last match for the first round is Bigfoot and Sudden Impact. And it is Bigfoot coming off the screen with the big victory for Bigfoot. So, down to the final 4 already here in the small show in Jonesboro. We'll try to repair the course after each round, not each race, just because how frequently it will get messed up. So, our 8th qualifier, our slowest qualifier, got out of the first round. That is Musical Queen and Cowboy, drawing Wild Hair, Minolta Toyota Dude. And this time, Minolta Toyota Dude struggles with the ramp, but Cowboy gets to the top and wins. Cowboy takes the W. Musical Queen having a good run after a bad qualifying effort. And now, will she meet Shock Therapy or Bigfoot? Patrick Fleming and Bigfoot. Shock Therapy is Drake No Sick Days Newton. Very close race. We'll go ahead and see. It looks like Bigfoot with that heavy Bigfoot picked up the win. Let me position the camera here. And so Bigfoot goes on to the finals to face. So Bigfoot Patrick Fleming is in the finals, going on up against Musical Queen in Cowboy. Big final round matchup. Who will it be? And it's Bigfoot with the win, so congratulations to Patrick Fleming with that victory. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next show.